Bahawalpur, where history whispers. This city, often overlooked, holds within its boundaries a treasure trove of stories and secrets waiting to be discovered. Bahawalpur, ever heard of it? Nestled in the heart of Pakistan, this city is a hidden gem, often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors. Yet it has a charm and allure all its own. Most haven't. This place is hidden away, tucked into a corner of Pakistan where the modern world seems to slow down, allowing the past to breathe and whisper its tales. Tucked into a corner of Pakistan, Bahawalpur is a land where time moves differently. Here, the hustle and bustle of contemporary life give way to a more measured, reflective pace, a land where time moves differently. As the sun sets over Bahawalpur, casting a golden hue over its ancient structures, one can't help but feel transported to another era. This ain't your typical tourist trap, no sir. Bahawalpur offers an authentic experience, far removed from the commercialized attractions found elsewhere. Bahawalpur is raw, it's real. The landscapes are rugged, the people genuine, and the history palpable in every corner. A place where history whispers on the wind. The ruins and ancient structures stand as silent sentinels, bearing witness to centuries of stories and events. Centuries ago, this was a princely state. The Nawabs who ruled here were known for their opulence and grandeur, leaving behind a legacy that still echoes through the city. Ruled by Nawabs with a taste for the finer things in life. Their influence is evident in the city's architecture, culture, and traditions. They left their mark, grand palaces, imposing forts. These structures stand as a testament to the city's rich history and the grandeur of its past rulers, a legacy etched in stone and sand. The intricate carvings and the vast sandy landscapes tell tales of a bygone era, of a time when Bahawalpur was a beacon of culture and sophistication. Come on, let's get lost. Let's explore the heart of Bahawalpur, wander through its streets, discover its secrets, and let the whispers of history guide you on an unforgettable journey. First up, Noor Mahal. This stunning palace, located in Bahawalpur, Pakistan, is a true architectural marvel. Built in 1872, it stands as a testament to the grandeur and opulence of the Nawabs of Bahawalpur. The palace is a blend of Italian and subcontinental architecture, making it a unique and fascinating structure. This palace is a vision. Its intricate design and detailed craftsmanship are a sight to behold. The facade is adorned with beautiful carvings and motifs that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. Each corner of the palace tells a story of its own, making it a treasure trove of history and art. White marble shimmering under the desert sun. The palace's white marble exterior glows brilliantly in the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing sight. The play of light and shadow on the marble surface adds to the palace's ethereal beauty, making it a photographer's paradise, a love story in bricks and mortar. Noor Mahal was built by Nawab Sadiq Muhammad Khan IV for his beloved wife. The palace's romantic setting, surrounded by lush gardens and serene landscapes, makes it a perfect symbol of love and devotion. The gardens are meticulously maintained, adding to the palace's charm and allure. Built by a Nawab for his favorite wife. The story behind Noor Mahal is as captivating as the palace itself. It is said that the Nawab built this magnificent palace to express his love and admiration for his wife. However, the story took an unexpected turn. She only stayed there for one night. Despite the Nawab's grand gesture, his wife was spooked by a bad reflection she saw in one of the palace's mirrors. This eerie experience led her to leave the palace after just one night, adding a touch of mystery and intrigue to Noor Mahal's history. Spooked by a bad reflection, they say, this tale of the Nawab's wife and her brief stay at Noor Mahal has become a part of the palace's lore, adding to its enigmatic charm. The palace, with its grand architecture and fascinating history, continues to captivate visitors from around the world. Next, we journey to Derawar Fort. Located in the heart of the Cholistan Desert, this imposing fort is a sight to behold. Its massive walls and towering bastions rise dramatically from the desert sands, creating a striking contrast against the barren landscape, rising from the desert like a mirage. Derawar Fort's impressive structure appears almost surreal as it emerges from the vast expanse of the desert. The fort's sheer size and grandeur make it a remarkable landmark, drawing visitors from far and wide. 40 massive bastions guarding secrets of the past. The fort's 40 bastions, each standing tall and proud, have witnessed centuries of history. These bastions, along with the fort's formidable walls, have protected the fort from numerous invasions and attacks, making it a symbol of strength and resilience. This place has seen it all. From battles and alliances to the rise and fall of empires, Derawar Fort has been a silent witness to countless historical events. Its walls are steeped in history, each stone telling a story of its own, battles, alliances, the rise and fall of empires. The fort's history is a tapestry of epic tales and legendary events. It has been a strategic stronghold, a royal residence, and a symbol of power and authority. The fort's battle scars are a testament to its turbulent past and its enduring legacy. These are more than just buildings. Noor Mahal and Derawar Fort are not just architectural marvels, they are living embodiments of history and culture. Each structure, with its unique story and significance, offers a glimpse into the rich heritage of the region. Their stories in brick and mortar, these iconic landmarks stand as proud reminders of the past, preserving the legacy of the Nawabs and the rich history of the region. They continue to inspire awe and admiration, inviting us to explore and appreciate the beauty and grandeur of our heritage. Bahawalpur's beauty isn't just man-made. Oh no, nature throws a hell of a show out here. To the south, the Cholistan Desert stretches as far as the eye can see, a sea of sand and sky, brutal, beautiful. Then there's Lal Suhanra National Park, a green oasis in the desert, a haven for all kinds of creatures. Let's get off the beaten path, see what these natural wonders have to offer. The Cholistan Desert, don't let the silence fool you. This place is alive. The wind whispers tales of ancient caravans, trading routes that once crisscrossed this unforgiving landscape. Once a year, the desert roars to life. The Jeep Rally, a spectacle of speed and skill, engines screaming across the dunes, a testament to human endurance. But the real magic happens at night. The stars come out to play. A million pinpricks of light against the velvet sky makes you feel small, insignificant, and strangely totally at peace. Section 5. Lal Suhanra, an oasis of life. From the scorching desert, we find respite in Lal Suhanra, a national park teeming with life, a splash of green against the endless sand. Gazelles dart through the undergrowth, birds of prey circle overhead, and in the evening the air hums with the chirping of insects. Keep your eyes peeled for the endangered blackbuck antelope, a rare and beautiful sight. Lal Suhanra is a reminder, even in the harshest environments, life finds a way. Section 6. The rhythm of Bahawalpur culture and cuisine. Bahawalpur isn't just about history and nature, it's about the people, their warmth, their traditions. The city comes alive with the sound of Sufi music, soul-stirring melodies that transport you to another world. And then there's the food. Oh, the food! A delicious blend of flavors, influenced by centuries of history and tradition. Come on, let's grab a bite. Let's savor the taste of Bahawalpur. Section 7. A feast for the senses. Food in Bahawalpur. Get ready for a culinary adventure. Bahawalpur, a city rich in history and culture, offers a food scene that is nothing short of spectacular. From the bustling markets to the quiet traditional eateries, every corner of this city has something delicious to offer. Bahawalpur's food scene is a feast for the senses. The aroma of spices fills the air, and the vibrant colors of the dishes are a visual delight. The sounds of sizzling pans and the chatter of people create an atmosphere that is both lively and inviting. Start with the saag, a rich stew of mustard greens, perfect with a dollop of butter. This dish is a staple in Bahawalpur and is often enjoyed with freshly baked bread. The mustard greens are slow cooked to bring out their natural flavors, and the addition of butter adds a creamy texture that is simply irresistible. Then there's the mutton. Slow cooked to perfection in a blend of aromatic spices. The meat is tender and juicy, absorbing the rich flavors of the spices. This dish is often served with rice or bread, making it a hearty and satisfying meal. The use of traditional cooking methods ensures that the mutton is cooked evenly and retains its natural juices. Don't forget the naan, fresh from the tandoor, crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. This bread is a perfect accompaniment to any meal and is often used to scoop up the delicious sauces and gravies. The tandoor, a traditional clay oven, gives the naan its unique texture and flavor. Wash it all down with a glass of lassi, a refreshing yogurt drink that will cool you down in the desert heat. Lassi is often flavored with fruits or spices, adding a unique twist to this traditional drink. It's the perfect way to end a meal, leaving you feeling refreshed and satisfied. In Bahawalpur, food is more than just sustenance, it's a celebration of life. Meals are often shared with family and friends, creating a sense of community and togetherness. The act of sharing food is a way to connect with others and celebrate the rich cultural heritage of the region. Whether it's a festive occasion or a simple family dinner, the food in Bahawalpur brings people together and creates lasting memories. Section 8. Getting there and getting around. Getting to Bahawalpur is easy. There's an airport just outside the city. Flights connect to major cities across Pakistan. Prefer to travel by road? No problem. Bahawalpur is well connected by a network of highways. The journey itself is an adventure. a chance to see the countryside and experience the warmth of the local people. Once you're here, getting around is a breeze. Hire a car, hop in a rickshaw, or simply explore on foot. The city is best experienced at a leisurely pace. Section 9, Bahawalpur, a journey worth taking. So there you have it, Bahawalpur, a city of hidden gems, a place where history, nature and culture collide. This ain't your typical tourist destination. It's an experience, a journey for the senses, a chance to step off the beaten path and discover something truly unique. Come on, what are you waiting for? Bahawalpur awaits.